I have here a CarPlay screen for your car. Gonna go ahead and open up this box, take everything out here so we can have a look at it. And I'm gonna show you how to install this and some of the features as well. So it looks like here is the screen itself. There is a whole bunch of accessories in here, and I'll take it all out and show each item one at a time. So here's the screen. On the back, there is a camera, so you can record as a dash camera as well. It's got some inputs and stuff on the side for power, SD card, and sound. It does have that screen protector that you will want to remove once you're ready to use it. It's got an auxiliary cable here for sound, power cable. Right here is a reverse camera, so you can plug this in and record behind you as well, so it can record in front and behind. And that camera is waterproof. And then there are two different mounts to choose from. Here is a suction cup style, and then here is one that's just gonna sticky to your dash with some two-sided tape. And then the last thing in here is the instructions. So I went ahead and used the sticky bracket here to attach it to my dash. Remember, it comes with two different brackets. You can use a suction cup style to your windshield, or you can use a sticky side. And then with that side, it's just got a little two-sided pad, sticky pad. You put it on the bottom of the mount, stick it down, and it's going to be nice and secured. So that's the way I went ahead to do it right here. I also ran my rear camera to the back of the vehicle. So I've got my front camera here, the rear camera there. You can toggle through these, so that's the front, the rear, or a split screen. So it's really nice. You've got dash cam recording both forward and backward, and you can see it's recording right here. It's going to automatically start recording on the included memory card. Comes with it, so you don't need anything extra there. I'm also going to show you some of the CarPlay features as well, so you can see how that works with this device. So I went ahead and set up my phone for the CarPlay. I'm going to go ahead and power on the car so we can see how this works. It's going to go through the boot up process, and my phone should automatically connect, and the CarPlay hopefully will come up. You can hear there's some static over the radio. That's because the FM transmitter has not turned on yet, but that will happen here in just a second. There it goes. So now the FM is playing. So I've got audio from here to my car through the FM transmitter. You can see it started recording automatically. Now it's just a matter of time till my phone connects, and we get the CarPlay connecting here. The Bluetooth is enabling. Boom, we got CarPlay now. So I've got access to my phone, music, maps, messages, all the stuff that I have on my phone right here. There's all the apps. You can even do split screens and stuff like that and see what's playing as far as audio. So I can play audio from my phone. It'll go through this and then into my car. So it's got a lot of really nice features with the CarPlay. That is the Apple version. This also does have the Android version. If you have an Android, you can do the Android car as well. So it just depends on how you want to do it and what device you have. So it's really versatile and can do a lot just right here with the CarPlay. So as far as connection options, if you come into the device here, you can do the mobile link. It's going to give you all the options across the bottom. You've got CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple AirPlay, Android Mirror, music via Bluetooth, and it's got Wi-Fi info look, which shows QR codes and stuff like that, so you can easily connect. So you've got all those options. You're just going to pick the one you want to do, follow the instructions, and then you're good to go. Other options you've got here, you can select your audio out for just the speaker on the device, FM auto, which is how I'm connected here to the car. You can do an auxiliary plug it out, and if you have an auxiliary input, you can do that, or through the Bluetooth as well. And then for settings, here's all your settings. So there's a lot of different settings. I'm going to show you a little bit more detail about a few of these so you can see what they are and how they work. Okay, so as far as settings go, Right here, you've got the resolution on the front camera. So you can have 720p all the way up to 4K if you want to. To keep in mind, the higher the resolution, the more memory it takes to just record the simple videos. Loop recording settings, so you can change how often it does a loop, every 1, 3, or 5 minutes. You've also got the G sensor, so if you get in a crash, automatically locks the video so it doesn't accidentally get overwrote. Some of the other things is lapse recording, parking time, the screensaver settings. This one's a good one here, so you can adjust these reverse guidelines independently of each other, which is really kind of nice. So you can set them for how your vehicle backs up, which makes a really nice convenient feature there. You can also adjust the mirroring and the flipping of that backup camera, so if you can't mount it the way that it comes default, that's okay. You can always come in here and flip that camera. So see, now everything is mirrored the other direction. So you've got all those options right there. Language, time, date, format the SD card if you need to do that, and then factory reset. So these are a bunch of really nice settings, and you can see just how easy this menu is to use. These are big buttons. Don't have to worry about hitting the wrong one. You're not going to have to even miss when you're doing driving or anything like that. So it's really easy to use and simple to change all those settings. So another nice feature is this front camera right here can be adjusted. So you can see you can twist it, you can tilt it, so you can get it the angle that you need according to where you have this mounted. You can see that's like perfect going right out. I can see both to the right and to the left enough. So it's going to record just exactly what I need it to, because I can easily adjust that camera. So you don't even have to use your hands. I can go, "Hey Siri, play some music." And it's going to hear me.
Here's some music from your library.
And automatically start playing some music. I can come in and see what's playing right here on Now Playing. It's just going to pick up something random unless you tell it specifically, which you can do as well. You can even send messages and answer phone calls and all that stuff. It's all the same kind of stuff you can do with Siri normally, which makes it really nice and convenient. So this CarPlay screen is super nice. It's really easy to assemble and install. You've got versatile mounting options. You can stick it to your dash, to your windshield. This also does have 3 years worth of after service. So even if there's a problem within 3 years, you can reach out to the seller and get some assistance to fix the problem. So I'd recommend this to anybody that wants to add a really nice high-tech feature to their car with this really nice touchscreen display that has all kinds of connection options built in. It is a really nice choice, and it looks really good in your car as well.